Hey everyone, since sometimes my videos include side dishes, I thought it would be good if I broke this out so you could find them easier in case you want to use them with a different dish. We're gonna start with the sauce, and here I have all the ingredients. So, it's pretty simple for the sauce. It's just a can of San Marzano's tomatoes. You can use any canned tomatoes. You're gonna drain out the extra liquid in it because most of the time it's just ground up lesser quality tomatoes and they're pretty bitter when cooked, so I would recommend draining them. Then you're gonna put in some basil, some tomato paste, some salt, and then you're just gonna take an immersion blender like this and blend it up. You don't need to drain it, or you don't need to put it into anything but the can. So yeah, it's pretty good in that way. You also don't need to cook it because it cooks in the oven, so it's pretty simple to make. You can always buy pre-bought, and there's nothing wrong with it. A lot of the times we will if we don't feel like making this. This is what it looks like at the end. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.